Gusto mo bang kumita gamit ang talent mo sa pag-drawing? Ako? Oo! From simple sketches to full-blown business using pencil and charcoal. This is my journey and some tips just for you.
Ang paggawa ng portrait ay hindi biro. Takes a lot of time and effort. If you plan to make it a personal business, factors like pricing and clients will surely affect it.
Una sa lahat, yung pricing. Mahirap tong part na to. Yung tipong gusto mo lang ibigay ng libre dahil sayang naman yung talent mo. Then I realize my time and effort are also important. Nag-research ako about pricing and also asked my friend artists about it. Evaluate your work. Don't sell yourself short at alamin ang worth ng iyong gawa. If you feel that the price is worth your hard work and time, then go for it. Tapos yung paghahanap ng clients. Syempre, friends and family muna. Then slowly engage to other clients. Social media is your friend. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, at marami pang iba. Showcase your work at huwag mahiyang mag-post. Super importante rin yung communication with your clients. Be responsive, be clear, and set expectation. Happy clients will surely recommend you to the others. That's free advertising, di ba? Tignan nyo itong portrait. Ang daming effort, pero sulit yung pagod when you see your client's happy face. Kaya kapit lang. Don't give up on your dreams. Tuloy nyo lang ang passion nyo.
Nakapag-decide ka na ba? Be creative lang. Be patient. And always believe in your talent. Follow me on social media for more tips. And remember, your talent is valuable. Kaya, i-share mo sa mundo. Good luck mga ka-artists!